friends. It is 7:20. Just came back from driving into the train. I'm going to fix the face, get ready, and I'm gonna take you along to school. So let's do this. All dressed and ready. I gotta grab my backpack. Walter, you gotta get out of bed. Walter stays in bed so long, and I need him to get up because we don't let him in our bedroom because he gets into everything. Good boy. Anyways, I thought it would be fun to take you along on my day because I haven't done this in a while. So hopefully it will be interesting. I have school, and then I have my internship, which I cannot take you in on the internship really, but I can take you in on school. Okay, I'm gonna be late if I don't leave this second, so let's go. Okay, I'm finished with school for the day. Oops. Finished with school for the day, and I am going to stop and get some lunch, and then I am gonna go to the internship. Today, two things. Today was very overwhelming. We were talking about everyone's future and career, and it was kind of overwhelming, but at the same time I'm very excited. But I'm feeling like kind of overwhelmed and a little bit, I can't identify the feeling. It's a mixture of emotions. So just doing like an internal check on pinpointing what I'm feeling, and I can't figure it out. So anyways, I gotta get a move on. I couldn't really film in class because teacher was talking yada yada yada, and we were going over some personal assessments and things like that, so wasn't appropriate. Yeah, so maybe get another coffee, could totally do that, a wrap or something, and then I gotta go to my internship because I have a book to finish and a book summary. So let's go.
The next day,
I'm just in line at Tim Hortons. This morning was a tough one. I feel very sleepy. There's so much sun, and actually starving. And I just couldn't get it together. Anyways, on the road now. Yesterday was just a dud of a day, so that's why I thought about the vlog like at one point, but I was like, you know what? It's such a boring day. Like, I really am not doing anything. I had to finish homework and all that stuff, so I thought today would be just a better filming day. Anyways, I need to get a coffee so badly. So badly, I'm falling asleep. Can I get a large coffee black? That's it.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Good, how are you? I got it. Okay, now to make the long journey. Where's the light? I am finished my internship for the day, and I am at, can you see? IKEA. There's an IKEA really close. Why is this There we go. There's a IKEA really close. My hair has just like fallen to bits and I still have a whole evening left to go. So I gotta fix myself. I'm gonna go into IKEA and look around because Andrew is taking the train all the way out to where I am. So I'm killing time, but I'm gonna look around. I love IKEA. Best place to waste time. Picked up Andrew. And now we're heading to dinner and then to the art show. I feel so sophisticated. Don't you feel sophisticated going to an art gallery showing? I feel very sophisticated. I'm gonna get lobster tail and steak. Yummy. It was literally taking us an hour to find parking. Like, no, like 30 minutes. We're on like the top floor. What level? Woo! Blackbird Studios. Oh, everything's open. Cool. That's cool. There it is. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How's it going, man? Good to see you. You too.
This looks amazing. All the way home. It's pretty late. Wow, I look crazy.
All we wanted was a smoothie.
All we wanted was a smoothie. And it said Dairy Queen was open till 11, so we drove to this Dairy Queen, which turned out to be a mall, and it's 10:30, which means the mall's closed. So no smoothie. So we're at Tim Hortons. They have like kind of smoothies. They're not as good, but I was really hoping for an orange Julius. I'm also very tired.